everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's topic is about the most magical, the most powerful and the most lovable thing in the world, which is none other than God, the Almighty. I'm going to tell you few new words related to God in English. Before that, please subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's move on to the video. Number 1. Deity. The word deity refers to a god or goddess. Number 2. Shrine. The word shrine refers to a place for worship that is holy because of the connection with the holy person or object. The examples are mosque, church and temple. Number 3. Divine. Divine is an adjective that means like God. Example sentence is I love to listen the music which is divine. Number 4. Omnipresent. Omnipresent is an adjective to describe God, which is the property of being present everywhere. Number 5. Omnipotent. Omnipotent is an adjective to describe God, which means having unlimited powers. Number 6. Omniscient. Omniscient is an adjective to describe God, which means having unlimited knowledge. Number 7. Omnibenevolent. Omnibenevolent is an adjective to describe God, which means possessing perfect or unlimited goodness. Number 8. Theism. Theism is the belief in the existence of a god or gods, especially of a creator who intervenes in the universe. Number 9. Theist. Theist is someone who believes in the existence of a god or gods, that is, he or she follows theism. Number 10. Atheism. Atheism is the disbelief or lack of belief in the existence of God or gods. Number 11. Atheist. Atheist is a person who disbelieves or lacks beliefs in the existence of God or gods. That is, he or she follows atheism. Number 12. Monotheism. Monotheism is the doctrine or belief that there is only one God. Number 13. Monotheist. Monotheist is someone who believes that there is only one God, that is, he or she follows monotheism. Number 14. Polytheism. Polytheism is the worship of or belief in multiple deities or gods. Number 15. Polytheist. Polytheist is someone who believes that there are multiple gods, that is, he or she follows polytheism. Number 16. Pantheism. Pantheism is a belief in which the universe is the God but not any personality, that is, not any type of human form. Number 17. Pantheist. Pantheist is someone who believes that universe is the only God, that is, he or she follows pantheism. Hope this video gave you plenty of information about spirituality. Stay tuned to Mask English Tutorials. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, friends. Keep supporting. Thank you.